Hello and welcome to the second to last week of the semester. We are in December now. Woo! Let the holiday festivities almost begin. Anyway, yes, so here we are, week 16. What's going on this week? Well, we are going to have a research log. Yay. There is some readings as far as giving presentations, because our final assignment is the presentation. And then you get to submit your final presentation, which is actually due on December the 12th. Okay, so let's go to the research log 11. Research log 11 is explain the difference between an opinion editorial and a proposal. Okay, describe the purpose of both, the intended audiences, and how they differ from each other. Think about your topic and talk about how you think an opinion editorial could impact the controversial topic. Again, 300 words. That is our last research log right there. That's it. Once you finish this research log, no more research logs. So again, it's really to kind of reflect on the difference between an opinion editorial and a proposal, and then think about your topic and how the opinion editorial could impact the goal of you trying to achieve what you've put in your proposal. Yeah, that's research log 11. Again, there is this reading in the textbook that will help you with your final presentation. The final presentation, again, is a PowerPoint, which was introduced that concept last week. You can always go back to last week to review if you have any questions. To upload the final presentation, again, you click here on Final Presentation. You can view the rubric because that's a good idea. That's just a good idea. Okay. Basically, the main things I'm going to be looking for at is, okay, yeah, on your slides, okay, it should not be just a whole bunch of text, and it should not be just a bunch of pictures with no text. There needs to be a balance between text and pictures and graphs or whatever. Okay, you need to have citations. Just copy and paste your reference page from your proposal paper and put it as your last slide, as your reference slide. Seriously, it's that easy. You're welcome. Okay. And then 70% of your final proposal is basically, did you cover all the topics? And again, that's explained in the video, and they're listed right here. So that's how you're graded on the final presentation. Okay. And for this one, again, you'd hit Browse My Computer, and then you'd pick, whatever it is. Now you'll note there's not a plagiarism thing here because the plagiarism checker does not really work for, PowerPoints. But I have never had anyone plagiarize a PowerPoint because it's stupidly obvious. If you anyway, there's that. Okay, then you hit open, and then you would hit submit. So that's how you submit your final presentation. So let's go back to, oops, I just noticed something I gotta fix. That says that it's due by 6 p.m. That is a lie. That is actually due by 11:59 p.m. I will fix that. That's why I do these videos, to make sure that everything is just copacetic for you guys when it's time to do it. Okay, so let's go back to week 16, which is here December 5th. So again, research log, which is due on the 12th, which is the last day of class. Submit your final presentation, which is due on the 12th, final day of class. Again, which is due by 11:59 p.m. So that's what's happening for week 16, and then we will wrap things up next week. So, all right, go ahead and finish up. Thanks. Bye-bye.